How to fix and solve the invalid email on Discord application. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be fixing the login or password is invalid error on Discord. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of Discord application on your mobile device. For that, you can go to Play Store and then search for Discord application and check if it's updated or not. After that, go to Settings, scroll down and go to Apps. Simply search for Discord application, and once you find it, click on it. Then scroll down and go to Storage and then click on Clear Cache and also click on Clear Data. Come back, try for stopping this application if you're using your Android device, and if you're using your iPhone, you can also try offloading the app. Once the app is uploaded or disabled, try reinstalling it again. Now go back to the home screen and then open your Discord application. And if you're already logged in with your specific account, go ahead and try logging out. Then enter your email or phone number in the first field, followed by the correct form of your password in the second field. And then click on Forgot Your Password that is highlighted in blue color, that is just below the password option. Tap on it, and if you've forgotten your password, this step will help you reset it. Then enter your email or phone number again and then tap on Confirm. Complete the verification process to confirm that you're human, and Discord will send a verification code to your phone. Enter the code to log in successfully. So that's all for this video. This is exactly how you can fix and solve the invalid email on Discord application. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.